So here is my experience with building my granny flat, letting you know all the little bits and pieces that I went through to get it built. To start with, here's the backyard. I had a garage, I had a shed that's already gone. Sold the garage to someone over the road, they dismantled it. And then also we lifted all the bricks in the backyard. I had no idea what was involved in doing the footings or anything else before I started. Kept the slab and the carport. And the carport, although it's really, really heavy, you can actually just lift it up and move it, which was useful at a later stage. But in the meantime, it was good just to have it there to store things underneath. So even before they started the footings, I had to get the plumber in to dig his channel, put his pipes down, and also the electrician put his wires down ready to be connected. And somehow they mark that channel so someone always knows it's there. Then when all that was done, the guys came in to do the footings. So they just took one section out of the fence. They had a little machine that came in. First of all, they drew a grid. The reason it had to go up on poles is because this is actually a floodplain here. If you're not living on a floodplain, you don't have to do it up high. It could just as easily sit on a slab. But I had to be, it's about 800 mil off the ground. They came in, drew the grid, used their machine. You can see the lady as she goes around making sure the piles that went into the ground, she makes sure they're straight, and she can actually, with the little machine she's got, check that they're level so they get it all exactly right. There's a picture of me celebrating the fact that I've got the first stage done, the pillars in the ground. So straight after that, the guys from Custom Creations came along and they put down that kind of basic sort of panels to put the flooring on. That wasn't part of the kit, so we didn't have to wait till we had the materials delivered for that part. So if you look at it there, the back part is what ends up being the actual, the inside of the house, the bedroom, the bathroom, living area, kitchen. And then the bit where it's left more open is going to end up being the deck. And then the truck arrived with all the bits and pieces on it to actually build the house. It's a kit, so it all just goes together. It all slots together. It's quite amazing the way it's built. But when I saw this truck out the front of my house, this enormous truck, I thought, I have no idea how that is going to get down the back lane. So I'd warned my neighbours and asked them to make sure the back lane was clear, but I was not expecting quite so large a truck. It looked like much more stuff than could possibly be needed for my house, but no, everything on that truck was to build my house. The guy got it down the back lane, so he's got a crane on the back of the truck, and he just, took those pieces off the back of the truck, lifted them over the fence, and they put them down in the backyard. And all those pieces are numbered. They've got numbers and letters on, which actually tells them as they build it where they need to go. At one stage we did think about building it ourselves, and when we saw all the different piles and how many of them they were, we were just so thankful that we'd got Custom Creations to build it for us. So I've sped up the video and just watch a few more little bits of the stuff being unloaded, and then I'm going to finish this video here, and the next section will be them putting the bits in order so that they know where the different bits are and starting the actual build. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to press the subscribe button, and if you want to be notified when the next video is available to watch, click on the little notification bell next to the subscribe button.